Are you tired and annoyed by your Twitch VODs being muted because of music that you're playing, or if you're recording content on your PC and it gets taken down or you get a DCMA strike? Well, me too. And that's why I fixed the problem. So if you're having issues with that, I'm going to get you through it so that way your videos don't get a strike, don't get muted, and you can keep all the content that you create. So let me show you how it's done. Stay with me. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you obviously have your OBS installed. If you don't, go ahead and get that installed. If you're watching this video, you probably already do. You're probably already a streamer, content creator, whatever, yada, yada, yada. So let's get your videos from being taken down and muted while you are streaming and your VOD goes up on Twitch, okay? So as you can see here, I got my music, my chat, my desktop audio, and my microphone, all in the audio mixer. Now, what you need to do in order to get your VODs with no music, and say you want to stream with your mainstream music playing, because that will not cause a strike while live streaming, but after the fact, whenever your video saves into Twitch, you know, you go back and watch it and your video is muted. Here's an example of this right here. Now, once you do the VOD track and you deselect your music, people are still going to hear the music while you're live streaming, but once it actually saves to your Twitch, the music will be gone. All the other audio is still there. And here's an example of that.
Oh, that storm shit's moving in closer.
All right. Well, let me take you into the settings you got to do to get this to work properly. You want to click on the cogwheel down here in audio mixer, right here in this section, wherever your audio mixer is, wherever you have it set up on your OBS. Now, once you click on the cogwheel, you're going to notice that your advanced audio properties pops up. The easy, simple thing to do. Go to your music. If that's what you want to take out of your VOD or your recordings for YouTube, everything is selected over here, 1 through 6. You can go ahead and deselect music off of 2 and off of 3. You want to leave 1 enabled. The rest doesn't matter because you're not using those channels anyway. So 1 is enabled for your live stream, 2 would be for your saved video for Twitch, and 3 would be for your recordings, okay? Make sure those are deselected. You can do this with anything as well. Say in your YouTube recordings of some gameplay, say you don't want chat in that video, right? Maybe just your microphone, but no chat from other players. All you need to do is go deselect 3 because 3 is going to be your recording, okay? We're going to make 3 your recordings. 2 will be for your live stream Twitch VODs, okay? But you just click on them to deactivate them. Same with your microphone. If you don't want your microphone in your, say, YouTube video of a game that you're wanting to play or upload, you just click off of your microphone. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to stick with music, but you can do others as well. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll help you as much as I can to make sure your shit is running the way you want it to run. Once you do this, close that out. You'll go into your OBS settings right here. Click on settings. We will go to output. Under your output, you want to make sure you're on advanced. Make sure you have your whole stream set up. We're not going to be worrying about any of those settings. That's a different video. But under streaming, you want your VOD track. I cannot click it right now because I am currently recording this video. But you'll turn on the Twitch VOD track. You'll enable it by clicking on this square right here. And you will select 2 as your VOD track, because if you remember under advanced audio, number 2 was deselected on the music. So now your music will not play in your VOD track once it saves to your Twitch. Now you can play Post Malone, Mariah Carey, Taylor Swift, whatever you like in your stream. And then when it saves, that music is gone. It won't be muted and you're safe, right? Same with recording. If you're going to, let's go to the recording tab and we're going to be playing a game, right? We're going to be playing some Call of Duty. We're going to be playing some Fortnite. We want to get a 30-minute clip or a 30-minute video here of what happened, or you record while you stream and there was a section of 5 minutes that was just, you have to post it, right? But there was Taylor Swift playing in the background, you know? Or Mariah Carey, Merry fucking Christmas. I don't know what you listen to, but you recorded it, right? The simple thing to do is go down here in audio track. You click on 3 because the third one over in your advanced audio was your music that we deselected, the third track. So you want to click on 3 because that's the one that's going to disable your music out of your recording. That simple. And that's how you do it. That's how you get music out of your VOD. That's how you get music out of a recording so you don't get striked and slapped on the wrist and slapped on the hand and punched in the face because you left some shit on there that's copyrighted. And you can do this, like I said, with your microphone, with your chat, anything you don't want in the VOD or anything you don't want in your recording. Just make sure you deselect that check mark in your advanced audio settings and it's done. That simple. I hope it helped. I hope this helps you guys get through having your, videos muted or your videos taken down off of YouTube, or YouTube sending you a message saying, hey, no, you have a strike. You've been playing music that's not yours. This is a simple solution. This is what works, and this is how it's done. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out a ton. If you could, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing and smash that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Give me a comment down below, even if it's just an emoji, because that helps and it'll take it out to a broader audience. I appreciate you watching. Catch me on the next video. Much love. Make sure to love yourself, and peace, guys. YouTube listen. Oh, fuck. Come on through, hang out with the motherfucking fat boy while we fuck shit up. I hit my fucking knee, man.
As you can see, I got my little girl right here. Her name's Kiwi. She's blurry, but let's get her. Oh, there, get her.